half power.
Yeah.
And then the ailerons. And the elevator.
Well.
Isn't that something?
Now,
look at the gear.
Can we put the back?
I had my fingers in the way. So, if we turn this around, you can see here.
Oh, okay.
So you,
When it's coming to
the
land.
gear is, when it's coming to land, you can drop the gear down.
No.
And then here are the flaps. Again, the idea is you can drop the flaps down
For takeoff and landing.
for takeoff and landing.
Wow.
So it's a little bit more than what I had before,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
but it's a, I think it's a little too much for me right now.
But
Your
you've flown
simple
it
one
before?
was too much for you.
Can we put this on?
Rabbi,
Not yet,
have
not
you
yet.
flown it before?
No, I have not
Oh,
done
okay.
this before.
Okay.
And I kind of hate to tell Ruthie, I think I have to get a step-up trainer.
Yeah.
I have to learn to fly my Piper Cub a little bit better, where I can consistently land it.
Yeah.
And then I think I'll move up to what I would call an aileron trainer, where I learn to use these to bank and turn. So it's
Let me see.
anyway.
Oh,
Now
the airplane.
this is a
of
lot
these
more
days.
of a plane
Yeah.
that I have than what I've been flying up to this point. And I think
Cool.
I'm going to have to
Where's Evie?
get a little more
Stress
practice.
factor.
Yeah.
A lot more
Very nice.
practice. So
And
that's
the pilot is sitting there.
he's just sitting in there, just as smug as a bug in a rug. Yeah.
Chugga chugga choo
Wow.
choo.